No, ma'am.
Obviously. Mansi? Mansi, are you there? Very good. Because of test, the strength is so low today.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the reason, I suppose. Priya, are you there? Priya,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You know that we have a test today, or you have also forgotten?
No, ma'am, I know.
Achha, chalo, thank God somebody knows. I think the strength is so low because of the test part only today. That is the main reason that students are not joining, because we have a test.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyways, first we'll study the topic that I've decided to revise today. That is the last topic of this chapter. We'll revise this topic. That is DNA fingerprinting.
Okay, ma'am.
Though I have already done this topic with you, I had also shown a video on DNA fingerprinting long back, if you remember. But now, since your concepts are more clear about DNA, RNA, so it'll become easier for you to understand. Have you heard about this word DNA fingerprinting? Anybody? Anywhere in any movie, any serial, anywhere you come across this word? Never heard of this DNA fingerprints?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You heard about it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's so common in Hindi movies and serials and all. It is so common.
In CID.
This CID, yes, CID, Crime Patrol, all these kind of serials, if you see, this word is very common, DNA fingerprinting. Though they don't use the word fingerprinting, but it is
Ma'am,
DNA sample to be matched.
Aman
Yes,
is
beta.
waiting in. Aman is waiting in. Waiting.
Yes, ma'am. Aman is waiting.
I've already allowed everybody. See,
He messaged.
but I've already let him in, beta. Now, so I cannot see anybody in the waiting. Can you see? I cannot see anybody now. See, check out, is there any? Because I'm also learning gradually in the process, you know. I'm not very techno savvy, so I'm also learning. See now, is he in or is he still waiting?
Ma'am, he is
Ma'am,
in.
done.
Ma'am
Done.
in done.
Now he's in, na? Okay. Because for me also, it's a new experience. This pandemic has taught us so many things. A person like me who hates using mobiles is on the mobile, using a mobile for about 9 to 10 hours a day. So I have also learned now. I hope everybody is in, nobody in the waiting now. Okay, you were telling me about CID. Yes, who was telling me? Come on, tell me. What case you've generally seen related to DNA fingerprinting, or what in CID you just now mentioned? Have you never heard about DNA matching or DNA fingerprinting? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Are you there, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How can it be a one-way class? Na, I will only go on speaking. This is not possible. Simple things. Tell me, have you not come across this word anywhere? DNA matching, DNA fingerprinting. Never heard of this.
Ma'am, we have heard.
You've heard, na? Thank God.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody has heard. Others have not heard, na? You've never seen TV, movies, nothing you see, na? You only study biology.
No, ma'am.
No, no, you people are so good. You don't watch TV, movies. You only
Ma'am,
study
no,
bio.
ma'am.
And जिस दिन टेस्ट होता है उस दिन सब गायब हो जाते हैं. And then everybody
Yes.
studying about DNA fingerprinting only.
Yes,
And when
ma'am.
I'll call after the class or message you, you people will say, "Ma'am, we were studying."
Yes, ma'am.
Anshu, is she there? This reminds me. Anshu, is she there? She's not there today also, no?
No,
Chalo,
ma'am.
never mind.
She is not there.
See, I am keeping a watch. I'm keeping a watch on students. I'll ensure that these students do not appear for board exams. I do not mark them present. And I have already informed that the attendance is less. And if it is less, I'll 100% ensure that these children are not allowed to sit in the exams. Beta, hardly any syllabus is left. By October, I suppose your syllabus will finish. If I talk about biology, we have only one important chapter left, that is Introduction to Biotechnology. The rest is applications of biotechnology, diseases, pollution, ecosystem. They're all general chapters, EVS type chapters. So we are left with only basically pollution, I mean a sub part of the last chapter, beta. What I'm trying to say
Ma'am,
is only one.
evolution.
See,
Ma'am, we'll be studying
environmental.
evolution also, na?
We just have one very important typical chapter left, and that is biotechnology. In biotechnology unit also, the second chapter, applications of biotechnology, is very easy. Okay?
Ma'am,
So,
evolution.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so we are left with chapters like microbes, diseases, evolution. All that is not something which is typical. No? It's very easy. So if you see your real syllabus, the actual syllabus will finish by 15th of October. After that, you can always skip out classes when revisions are going on if so much you have to study, my child. But abhi to you should be regular. Anyways, let's start. We are doing DNA fingerprinting. This is why I have taken up this topic again, beta, because this is very important from examination point of view. We generally have questions from this. I'll keep discussing with you side by side which kind of questions. So if they ask you in 1 mark question, what is the purpose of DNA fingerprinting? The first sentence of this gives you the answer. It is a quick way to analyze the differences in the DNA sequences of two individuals. Is it okay? Tell me, what is the purpose of DNA fingerprinting?
Analyze the difference in DNA sequences.
Very good. You can analyze the differences in the DNA sequence of two people or even more than two people. How do we analyze this difference? Identification of differences in repetitive DNA. So if you are analyzing the DNA of two people, there is no need to analyze each and every aspect of the DNA. You will only analyze which DNA, which part of the DNA, beta? Which is the keyword here? Repetitive.
Repetitive. Repetitive.
Very good. Nowadays, yes, we have 1 mark questions, we have fill in the blank questions also. This time we are expecting more of objectives than we had last year. So if the sentence comes, DNA fingerprinting involves the identification of differences in dash. In dash, what is that dash?
Repetitive DNA.
Repetitive DNA. Now let us see what is repetitive DNA. Repetitive, if you break the word, you know the meaning, something which repeats itself is called repetitive. So repetitive DNA is a specific region or an area in DNA in which a small stretch is repeated many times. Okay? That particular stretch or that particular region will be repeated many times. That is why we call this DNA as which DNA? It is called as repetitive DNA. What is it called? Repetitive DNA.
Repetitive DNA.
Okay. Before I go to the second paragraph, everybody, what is the purpose of DNA fingerprinting?
Analyze the DNA sequence of two individuals.
Very good. It involves the identification of differences in
Repetitive DNA.
Repetitive DNA.
Okay. Repetitive DNA is a region in DNA which is a small stretch of DNA which does what?
Repeated many times.
Repeated many times.
It is repeated many times.
Many times.
So, yes, once we are over with this class, you should be confident that you can just read this topic once and this topic is done. That is why I'm saying please interact, speak out. Let's move on to the second paragraph. Through density gradient centrifugation. Let's understand this word. Does somebody know about centrifugation? What is centrifugation? Quickly. You are not getting any punishment for giving wrong answer. Then why don't you people try beta? What is centrifugation? Nobody knows what is centrifugation.
No, ma'am.
Class 9th, 10th, you have done
It is a
separation
process.
techniques.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is a process.
सबके घर में centrifugation होता है रोज. Tell me कहाँ पे?
Ma'am, in the formation of curd.
See, Ariba
Ma'am,
is trying to
separating
explain
plasma.
centrifugation.
Separating parts of blood.
अच्छा, आपके घर में ये वाला होता है centrifugation? Plasma separation?
No, ma'am.
हाँ? Vedant
separation
lab
of
को
milk.
रखा है क्या? Vedant, you
No,
have a
ma'am.
pathology lab at home?
I'm in
No,
washing.
ma'am.
Yes, in
I'm
washing
in
machine.
washing
Very good.
machine and mixer.
Yes, excellent. In washing machine and mixers, we have the process of centrifugation. See, Ariba has helped us out. On the screen, she has shown what is centrifugation. समझ में आ गया after seeing this गोल गोल वाला thing, what is centrifugation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now everybody has got the examples of, so the mixer and the washing machine at home is very good example of centrifugation. Now let us be more specific about density gradient centrifugation. Vedant had given us a very good clue. Vedant, bolo beta, what did you tell us?
Ma'am, parts of blood are separated. RBC, plasma are separated.
Yes, they are separated. और कोई example? Density gradient. देखो बेटा, difference in density. If you have two substances, जिनकी density में difference है, उसको हम centrifugation से separate कर लेते हैं. This is density gradient centrifugation. Gradient, you know na, difference. So density gradient, difference in densities. One very common example at home, and you must have seen in dairy also. अब बताओ, I've given you a clue. Density gradient centrifugation in milk dairies.
Removing of cream from the milk.
Excellent. Cream is removed from the milk. Excellent. Too good. But this is the difference in what? Difference in densities. So I hope the word is clear now. Density gradient centrifugation. You've got two substances, लेकिन उन दोनों की किस में difference है बेटा? Density में difference है. So जब आप centrifuge करोगे, you will undergo the process of centrifugation. Then both the things will get separated. अच्छा, cream and this may tell me how does it get separated? Which comes up and what remains down? How is this? Have you seen it in dairy? Has anybody seen this process?
No, ma'am.
No. घर पे कभी मम्मा को
No,
घी
ma'am.
निकालते देखा है? Have you
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
mama
Yes, ma'am.
taking out desi ghee, उसमें से मलाई में से?
Yes,
Has
ma'am.
anybody seen?
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
is what? That is density gradient centrifugation.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
ghee comes out and the milk वाला part जो उसमें mixed होता है, the water in the mix, it is left down and the
Yes,
upper
ma'am.
part comes up. So that is density gradient centrifugation. Is this
Okay,
word
ma'am.
clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So density gradient centrifugation, how is it going to help us, beta? Repetitive DNAs will be separated. Let us assume that repetitive DNAs are the cream. ठीक है? And the bulk genomic DNA मतलब बाकी सारा वाला बचा हुआ DNA. That is, we are calling it as the bulk genomic DNA. Genomic means the entire genomes. Bulk matlab jada. Why are we using bulk with this? Why not with repetitive DNA? Why the bulk word is used with the... Yes, beta?
DNA small sequence.
Exactly. Repetitive DNAs are less in number. That part is a small sequence. And बाकी जो सारा वो बचा हुआ है, that DNA is what we call as the bulk genomic DNA. So we are not separating cream from milk here. We are separating repetitive DNAs from what, beta? From
Bulk DNA.
Bulk genomic DNA.
Genomic नहीं भी याद रहेगा तो चलेगा. You are separating repetitive DNAs from the bulk DNA. The entire DNA, पूरा का पूरा DNA में से what has to be separated is repetitive DNA. And which method are we going to use?
Centrifugation.
Which centrifugation?
Density gradient.
Density gradient centrifugation.
Yes, please be specific. It is density gradient centrifugation and we are going to separate, क्योंकि हमने शुरू में पढ़ा, basically we are going to use repetitive DNA. If we are going to study repetitive DNA, तो सबसे पहले इसको अलग करते हैं. So we are separating repetitive DNA from the bulk DNA, and what is the process known as? It is known as density gradient centrifugation. Now what will happen when you will do centrifugation? The bulk DNA forms a major peak during centrifugation and the other small peaks are known as satellite DNA. मतलब क्या समझ में आया? कोशिश करो बच्चा, try it out. Bulk DNA forms a major peak. सबको पता है what is bulk DNA. I've already told you what is a bulk DNA. What do you mean by major peaks? I had also shown you a video on this. बहुत
Yes,
पहले, long back.
जब
Tell
इसका
me what do you
ग्राफ
mean
बना
by
दे
this?
तो it makes a mountain-like structure.
Is right, very good. She's at least trying. Excellent. इसका ग्राफ बना लेंगे तो mountain जैसा structure
Peak
दिखेगा.
is found by repetitive
And
DNA.
major peaks. Very good. Who tried it, Ariba?
Yes,
Who's
ma'am.
Yes. Ariba, what do you mean by major peaks here? Very good. Your answer is perfect. But what do you mean by
Oh.
major peak? Try that also.
Ma'am, major peak means it's higher than that of repetitive DNA.
Yes. And the smaller peaks are of which one? They are your, see, now we are going to
Repetitive
differentiate.
DNA.
The bulk DNA forms a major peak during centrifugation. In centrifugation, what is happening? DNA will go, जब आप churn करोगे तो DNA rise करेगा, ऊपर जाएगा. If you draw a graph on the positions of the bulk DNA beta and you join all the points, you will get a graph. Yes, exactly. Very good, Ariba. Thank you so much. Can you see everybody? Beta, मुझे ये भी आता नहीं. I'll learn this. This is a good technique to show you people. Gradually, I'll learn this. Good, Ariba. Can you see the major peaks? Label the major peak. Come on, label it, children. Label the peaks. Okay, very good. You have labeled this. Beta, now Ariba will not tell. Others will tell. This is bulk DNA or this is satellite DNA?
Bulk DNA.
Bulk DNA.
Okay.
Bulk
Now
DNA.
somebody label. Very good. Somebody label the small peaks. Very good. Arushi is trying. Okay. See, Arushi has shown with those blue dots these small peaks. Saransh has also shown me. Very good. What are these DNAs then?
Satellite DNA.
Satellite DNA.
Small peaks. Very good. So if this comes as a single sentence fill in the blank question, the DNA which forms a major peak during density gradient centrifugation is which DNA, beta?
Bulk.
Bulk
Bulk
DNA.
Bulk DNA. Too good. And the DNA which forms the smaller peaks during the
Satellite DNA.
centrifugation? Satellite.
Satellite DNA.
And if you get a curve like this and you have to identify which is the bulk DNA, which is the satellite DNA, will you be able to identify?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. 4 or 5 students are very active. I don't know why others are not speaking. Chalo, आगे चलते हैं. I'll be asking you questions. These sequences do not code for any proteins normally. Okay? What will happen is normally some coding sequences give rise to what? They give rise to proteins. But these sequences, they will not code for proteins. Then they just constitute the portion of your human genome. They're not going to code for proteins, beta. What they're going to do is they are going to just form a large portion of human genome. What is human genome? What do you mean by human genome, beta?
Human DNA.
The entire human genome. What is human genome? अरे, human genome means what? ये तो पता है सबको. Speak out.
Ma'am, human
Human
genome project.
DNA.
DNA.
Beta, the entire genetic material, all your chromosomes, all your DNA, everything together. Okay? This is your human genome.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes, ma'am.
satellite DNA. Now everybody knows what is satellite DNA.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The one which forms major peaks or the smaller peaks.
Smaller
Smaller
peak.
peak.
Smaller peak.
Acha, chalo. Now let's study about satellite DNAs. Okay. The satellite DNA is classified into many categories such as microsatellites, mini satellites on the basis of बहुत सारे types के we are going to have satellite DNA. We are going to classify them. We are going to classify them into so many categories. That is not important कि which categories. What is important is कि किस basis पे we are going to classify. ठीक है? Just focus on this. Number 1, basis of the length of the segment. How long is your segment? Number 2, the number of repetitive units. And number 3, the base composition. Base composition means which ratio is more. 80 ratio is more or the GC ratio is more. If 80 ratio is more, we call it as 80 rich DNA. And if GC ratio is more, we generally call it as the GC rich DNA. So satellite DNAs are classified into many categories on 3 bases. Which is the first base?
Length of segment.
Length of segment.
Length of the segment. Which is the second one?
Number of
Number of
repetitive
repetitive units.
Repetitive units.
Very good. And which is the third one?
base
Base
composition.
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 Base composition, one ratio could be more. Either the ratio of A ratio T, or which is the other one?
G ratio
G
C.
ratio.
G ratio C.
Bahut jaldi. The smaller peak DNA was called as?
Satellite DNA.
Satellite DNA. Satellite DNA.
Satellite DNA is classified into many categories on three bases, three parameters. Which is the first parameter?
Length of segment.
Length of segment.
Base composition.
Yes, base composition भी है. एक बच गया अभी. Which is the third one?
Number of
Number of
repetitive
repetitive DNA.
Number of repetitive units. Very good. चलो आगे चलते हैं. The satellite DNA sequences also show high degree of polymorphism and form the basis of DNA fingerprinting. What do you mean by polymorphism? Break the word. Poly and morphology. Poly means many. Morphism means structure, appearance, looks. ठीक है? Now these satellite DNA sequences बेटा देखो ये अलग अलग हो गए, बहुत तरह के हो गए. Why they are different? क्योंकि किसी की किस बेस पे आप डिफरेंस कर सकते हो? Either you can differentiate on the base of the length of the segment, या फिर एक डिफरेंस और आ जाएगा. What is the difference we just discussed? The number of repetitive units. या फिर आपको एक डिफरेंस जो लास्ट मिलता है, that is the base composition. So because of these three differences, these satellite DNA sequences show polymorphism. Polymorphism means a lot of different varieties are there, and it is this which forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting. Supposing हमने दो लोगों का compare करा, so length of the segment compare कर सकते हैं. Maybe किसी में छोटा होगा, किसी में बड़ा होगा, so you can compare it. Or you may have the difference in what? You may have the difference in the number of repetitive units. या एक difference और निकल के आ जाएगा, किसी में AT ratio ज़्यादा होगी, किसी में GC की ratio ज़्यादा होगी. So it is because of these 3 points that the DNA sequences show polymorphism. Simple words to understand: polymorphism means variety. You'll get different types of satellite DNAs, and उन्हीं को हम compare करके this forms the basis of which fingerprinting? The basis of DNA fingerprinting. Now complete one sentence of mine. Because of the 3 differences, that is difference in the length, difference in the number of units, and difference in the base composition, the satellite DNA sequences show high degree of dash. What?
Polymorphism.
High degree of polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
Polymorphism. Polymorphism basically over here means the variety, and this is going to form the DNA fingerprinting ka basis. It is a variation in individuals at genetic level. Polymorphism arises due to mutations. Mutations are what, beta? What are mutations?
Sudden changes in a
Sudden
DNA
changes in DNA.
Very good.
or genetic
There
material.
sudden changes in mutations take place, and this plays a very important role in evolution and speciation. I think 9th 10th में पढ़ा होगा. What is speciation? 10th में पढ़ा था शायद.
Classification of species.
No. Anybody remembers पढ़ा था 10th में speciation?
मैम पढ़ा तो था, याद नहीं अब.
This is nice. देखो बेटा, जब mutations
Formation of
होते हैं,
new species.
exactly, excellent. Formation of new,
Species.
yes, it is speciation. See beta, when some mutations take place, एक generation में इतना effect नहीं आता है, changes बहुत minor होते हैं. But when they are passed on to the next generation, वो थोड़ा और but changes are more amplified rather. करते 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 for many generations, what happens is changes इतने बड़े हो जाते हैं, इतने ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, that the species which is formed is entirely different from जो 20 generation पहले की species है उससे बिल्कुल अलग दिखने लगती है. So then we say that what has taken place is speciation. A new species is formed by mutations from an old species. But remember ये 2-4 साल में नहीं होता है. It takes place when many generations pass through. Okay? Is it okay for everybody what is speciation now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In a population, if an inheritable mutation is observed at high frequency, what do you mean by inheritable mutation? What
Which
is
can be passed on to other
Excellent.
progeny.
Badhiya, very good. We had done an example in class 10th, if you remember. I think mice ki tail kaatne wala. There was a picture in S. Cham. How many of
Yes,
you remember that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The tail of the mice cut. So was it an inheritable mutation, children?
No.
No, ma'am.
I have done a mutation. I have cut the tails of this mice.
It
Will
was
it be
physically not in the
inheritable?
genetic material.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's such a simple question. I took mice, I cut the tail of the mice.
Ma'am,
Okay,
it was
next.
not done in a genetic material. It was physically done.
Yes, I had done a change in the somatic part. Very good. I had done a change in which part? The non-genetic part, somatic part. So you think the next generation of mice, will they have tails or they'll not have tails?
They will have tail.
Will have tails.
That means the change, did it pass on? Did it inherit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
It did
ma'am.
not inherit. So will you call it as inheritable change?
No.
Yes. No,
No.
ma'am.
No. Yes or no?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
बेटा inherit word याद रखो बस इंग्लिश में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं अरे he is a rich man he has inherited a lot of property from his ancestors बोलते हैं inherited मतलब जो हमें ancestors से मिला जो हमें अपनी previous generation से मिला that is inherited. So mutation, a mutation which is passed on from one generation to the next is what we call as inheritable mutation. Clear everybody? Inheritable.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
confusion क्यों आता है? I'll tell you the confusion. Confusion comes because English में हम in लगाते हैं something जो नहीं होता है. Got my point? There's a confusion comes. Invisible, visible, invisible. Invisible is जो नहीं दिखता है. But here it is उल्टा. Inheritable जो inherit होता है, that is inheritable. So inheritable mutation is observed at high frequency. Only then you call it as DNA polymorphism. So when will you say DNA polymorphism is taking place? Number one, mutation कैसा होना चाहिए बेटा? Inheritable.
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 Number two, high frequency. ये नहीं कि 1-2% mutation inherit हो रहा है. It's at high frequency. The change is big. The change is at a high level. Then only it will lead to DNA polymorphism. We will say the DNA has changed now. Some variety has come in DNA. Some change has come in DNA. That is called as DNA polymorphism. There are different types of polymorphism from single nucleotide change to large scale changes. Matlab, what do you mean by single nucleotide change?
Change in one nucleotide to many.
Okay, and what do you mean by large scale changes?
Means change on the complete sequence or
Perfect. Chalo. Let us understand. Supposing we have very good. Supposing we have a sequence ABCD. Is it okay for everybody? हम मान लेते हैं that ABCD are nucleotides. ABCD में से सिर्फ एक change हो गया. Supposing C की जगह G आ गया. So ABGD बन गया. So this is a single nucleotide change or it is a large scale change, children?
single.
Single nucleotide change.
Nucleotide change. Yes. Another example. If I take PQRS and Q की जगह का T आ गया and PTRS बन गया. So this is which kind of a nucleotide change?
Single.
Single.
Single nucleotide change. Yes, exactly. And अगर PQRS ABCD बन गया, so what kind of a change is this?
Large scale.
Scale change. Yes, it is what kind of a change? It is a large scale change. So remember, we have different type of polymorphism. One in which there is only a change in a single nucleotide.
Hello.
Ma'am का disconnect हो गया.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it was disconnected.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे बेटा call from sir, new principal sir. चलो, anyways, we've disconnected. अब आगे पढ़ते हैं. So we've got different types of polymorphism. Either the change is in a single nucleotide or it is change in large scale. Everybody has understood this paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God आप लोग डरा देते हो. You people take so much
Yes,
of time to
ma'am.
say. चलो आगे. In an individual, DNA from every tissue, that is blood. देखो, again an important part is coming. I have seen this question coming many times in board exams. DNA can be taken from which tissues of human beings for this process? So remember, learn with me. Blood,
Hair follicle,
follicle, skin,
hair,
bone, saliva, etc. show
etc.
the same degree of polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
Who is this?
Ma'am,
Saransh?
Saransh.
Saransh. Thus they become very essential identification tools in
Yes,
forensic application.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the important? चलो ठीक है. Bye. वापस. Now come back. Tissue from which parts of the human body are essential tools in forensic applications?
Yes, ma'am. Blood, hair
Yes.
follicles, skin,
Saliva,
bone, saliva.
hair follicle, blood, skin, bone.
You must have seen in crime serials, na? Okay, murder site से hair मिला. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. CID.
Yes, ma'am. CID.
Dr.
A
Sal.
lot of excitement about CID, and everybody forgets about Crime Patrol, one of my favorite serials.
No, ma'am. Adalat. KD Pathak.
Acha, Adalat I have not seen. You don't see Crime Patrol?
Okay.
No,
I
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I don't
Crime
see.
Patrol.
I seen Sabdan India.
CID. Yep. Acha, Sabdan India. That is also there. So in all these serials, you must have come across so many such cases where a blood stain or a blood drop helps, or hair follicle helps. A piece of a skin helps at time. Even saliva can help at time. Thus, they become very essential identification tools in forensic applications. As
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Polymorphisms are inherited from parents to children. So it is useful in paternity testing also. What is paternity testing? Whether this child
Test
belongs
of-
to this couple or not.
Yes, ma'am.
You come across cases in the newspaper कि hospital में इन्होंने मेरा बच्चा चुरा लिया, उसने मेरा बच्चा चुरा लिया, और बच्चा's are exchanged. These kind of things you read in newspapers.
Yes,
If at all
ma'am.
you read,
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how many of you read newspapers. Okay, so now the testing has to be done. That testing is what we call as which testing? It is called as the paternity testing. So what is done then? The DNA is matched. It could be from blood samples, it could be from skin, it could be from bone or saliva, and then it can be concluded that this child belongs to this couple or that couple. Generally, when we have cases or legal suits related to paternity testing, then the best option is DNA testing. Is it okay? Understood the word paternity testing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The parents, we can conclude, we can finally have a conclusion that this child belongs to this couple or that couple who are the real parents of a particular baby. That is what we call as a paternity testing. When I say baby, doesn't mean कि सिर्फ small baby का ही DNA testing कर सकते हैं हम. Even a person of 40-45 years, we can have a DNA sample matching. We can find out that this person is the son or daughter of which individual. Can I go further now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
फिर से डरा दिया. So much time you take to answer. Who initially developed DNA fingerprinting? Name the person.
Alec Jeffries.
Alec Jeffrey.
Alec Jeffries.
Tell me the name of the person, everybody who initially developed DNA fingerprinting.
Alec Jeffries.
Alec Jeffrey.
Alec Jeffries.
Yes, it is Jeffries. Okay, it is not Jaffrey. It is not that Javed Jaffrey wala Jaffrey. Okay, it is Jeffries. Remember, I've seen many people writing Jaffrey. He is not an Indian. He is Alec Jeffries, also
Yes,
known
ma'am.
as DNA typing or DNA profiling. दो और नाम दे दिए Alec Jeffrey के DNA fingerprinting को. What are the two other names of DNA fingerprinting?
DNA typing or DNA
DNA typing or
profiling.
DNA profiling.
Very good. It is also used to find out markers for the inherited diseases. With the help of this, we can also find out about some diseases which are inherited. चलिए जल्दी से बताइए 1 or 2 diseases which are inherited, which a child gets from parents. Any inheritable disease, beta? I'm not saying कि हर inherited disease हर बच्चे में होता है. It's like, let's talk about a lady who is having the problem of asthma. and she has 3 babies. So it is not that all 3 of them will have this problem. Maybe one
And
of them
jaundice.
has. Jaundice is not inherited. No. Jaundice is, I give you one example. This is asthma. But remember, asthma is inherited disease. Does not mean that all people who have asthma, all their babies have asthma. However, it can be inherited. It does pass on. एक बहुत common problem है these days, which doctors say कि आपकी family में है तो आपको sugar कम खानी चाहिए. What is that problem?
Diabetes.
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 Diabetes, yes बेटा, वो insulin का गड़बड़ होता है production वाला. That problem, it is very common. It passes on to next generations. So if somebody has a problem of diabetes in the family, it is always suggested that the next generation should be very careful. They should take less of sugar intake because there are more chances of that individual to get more prone towards diabetes. Similarly, asthma also. Now let's see how he tried it. This person, Alec Jeffrey, uses satellite DNA. सबको याद है ना satellite DNA कौन सा था?
Smaller peak.
Yes, the smaller peak. He uses satellite DNA as a probe that shows very high degree of polymorphism and called it as VNTR. We are coming to something very important. VNTR. What is the full form of VNTR?
Variable number of tandem repeats.
Variable number of tandem repeats. क्या समझ में आया बेटा? ये sentence थोड़ा complicating है. He uses satellite DNA as a probe. Supposing 11th A में, let's talk about 12th A. 12th A में there is something mischievous going on. Now you are in 12th. Now I still remember you are in 11th. Something mischievous is going on, so I will send Rhythm. Go and find out what is going on in 12th A very quietly. So he's a probe. Who is he? He's a probe. Understood now what is a probe? Understood?
Yes,
Who is a
ma'am.
probe?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will give you information? We
Rhythm.
don't know what is happening there. Rhythm. Obviously, he always does this work, so I gave the best example of Rhythm only. He knows everything, all what is happening in all 6 rooms on that floor. So I gave the example of Rhythm. Okay, he's a probe now. We don't know what is happening. He will come and give us information. Now, everybody knows the meaning of probe?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, what is the probe in DNA fingerprinting or DNA profiling?
Satellite DNA.
Satellite DNA. Very good. Who is
Satellite
going to give
DNA.
you the information? Yes. So if you want to know what is happening in the other sections, आप सिर्फ जाके किससे पूछोगे? Rhythm से तो पूछोगे? Why
Yes,
ask the
ma'am.
entire
Yes,
class? Why
Yes,
ask
ma'am, rhythm
the
से ही
entire
पूछेंगे.
class? हाँ, सबको पता है Rhythm से ही पूछना है, वही बताएगा. So exactly
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे भी we will not waste our energy. We will only focus on which DNA?
Satellite
Who is the
DNA.
probe? Satellite DNA. Very good. क्यों satellite DNA? Like Rhythm has a variety of news. He has or he doesn't have. Which teacher is absent? किसका substitution है? कौन टिफिन में क्या लाया है? किसकी किससे
Yes,
लड़ाई हुई?
ma'am.
All information he has or he
Yes,
doesn't
ma'am.
have. Yes.
Yes.
He has